Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Shanti with 3 H's like shh. And make sure you check the description for anything I might have missed in this video. So as you can see right now, I'm actually doing my hair. This will be the second time that I'm wetting my hair since I purchased it. I already started on the left side, so I'm on the right, and I decided to just show you guys since I knew I was going to be washing this hair immediately after my trip. Right now I have water and conditioner inside of that bottle. I'll show you guys the one that I used. I'm pretty sure you can use any conditioner, but I've always personally enjoyed the 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 conditioner. I thought it would be great for the hair. It's also compatible with the hair mousse I end up applying later in the video. I did add more water because I noticed it was tangling. So when your hair is dry, it is going to tangle. If you have to drench your hair in water, go ahead and do that. And if you have to get up early or start doing your hair earlier just so that you can have your hair dry in time, go ahead and do that as well. Or you can do the blow dryer option with the diffuser. Another thing I do recommend is using a Denman brush. If you have another option that's similar, you can go ahead and use that. I just think with curly hair, even with my natural hair, I love to use this with conditioner to help detangle. It helps define everything as well. A lot of people don't like to use oil on the wigs because it's not your actual hair, so it's like it's kind of just sitting there. There's really no scalp. But I did end up adding a little bit of oil for some shine, and I did spray some products on it as well, which you're gonna see. I just was trying something new. I didn't know what I was doing. I'm not an expert, but I do enjoy this wig. I like it more than I thought I was gonna like it. If you guys see that bump, that is because I have my ponytail up. I'm pretty lazy with it, especially with wigs. I don't really have time to be braiding my hair, just throw it on. But the thing about curly hair is once it dries, it gets bigger, so you don't really see that. That wasn't really a problem for me. Even as you see now, it wasn't a problem once I let everything go loose. And one thing I did forget to add to my hair is mousse. That's fine because honestly, I feel like the mousse makes it crunchy. I did end up adding mousse at the end of this video for research purposes. And it also helps keep the curl. And it's really not that big of a deal to break the cast, but that is something to keep in mind. The hair wasn't frizzy, to be honest. And the location that I was at, the weather was really nice. It was about 80 degrees. So it did dry. As you can see, I'm adding a little extra because this is supposed to help with the frizz. I decided to not use a leave-in conditioner because I'm already using a conditioner. I love how long it is. Like, yes, for the length and the definition. Once again, this will be my second time wetting this hair. I really like it. I think I'd buy it again because eventually the headband is going to give out. If you want to know where I got this fan from, I'll link it down below. It's from Amazon. It did help the drying process. I especially wanted the ends of my hair to dry a little quicker just to reduce any frizz that might have happened. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. As you can tell by the title and by everything that you've seen in this video, this is the end result of everything that I've done to my hair so far. I do believe it's about 95% dry, and once it fully dries, it's probably going to be much bigger. I did go back and comb my hair, and one of the last clips you guys saw, I was combing out my hair, adding mousse and all these products, but I did end up combing my hair out again because there was a bit of a tangle in the back of my head, and I was just like, I can't let it dry like that. I have to comb it out. There is a bit more body to it because I had to do that. I believe that if you try the method that I did, it'll probably end up a little more flat at first, and then over time it'll get bigger and bigger. The more you mess with this hair, the bigger that it gets, and I really like that because I am so lazy. Under my wig, I don't feel like doing braids. I'll do a ponytail. If you see this bump, like if you see like a little bump, that is because I have a ponytail. That is because I have a ponytail, and once the hair dries and it gets bigger, you can't even see it anymore. But honestly, with curly hair, you really can't see the bulkiness because the hair is big in general. But yeah, like that's just my update on this hair. I really do like this hair more than I thought I was gonna like it, and I still recommend it to y'all. I feel like it is still expensive, but I think you get your money's worth. I didn't get a lot of shedding. This was the hair that came out of the brush. I was a little rough with it because I was rushing and it was super hot in my bathroom. If you were more patient and more softer with it, you probably get less shedding. But yeah, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you have any more questions, please let me know. Please comment down below. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna head out. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Shanti with 3 H's, like And if you're new, please hit the thumbs up for more videos like this, and please hit the thumbs up if you want any updates. I made sure to come back and talk about this hair because I saw that it got a couple views, and I do want to do an update. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram, thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications because I have more videos coming very soon. Trust and believe, we are trying to get the content out this year because we need to grow and go and get out and live life, enjoy life, period. Okay, enjoy life.
Had to get away, baby. Posting pics.